What's up, you guys? It's Kat. Welcome back. So for today's video, this is kind of like a clean with me vlog, but also like a part 2 to my fall decorate with me, because there's a handful of decor things that we're going to be switching up and I'm going to be sharing with y'all. But then we also have a couple really exciting home updates that I'm super excited about. And I just have like a very long to-do list today, which, oh gosh, I haven't even made it yet. Also, how cute is this little notepad? I found it at Marshall's the other day. I loved obviously that it had a K because my name's Kat. And then I can just write my little to-do list. I feel like it's the perfect size. And yes, doing my nails is on the to-do list. They look really bad. Is that really where you have to lie, right on the clean clothes? Do you want to share the to-do list that you're not going to really help with? She's trying to sniff the pen. So first, base clean, always have to add that to my to-do list. And then we are going to be redoing the wine chest decor just a little bit. College baskets. Both of my sisters just moved into college for the first time. So I'm putting together, oh, this isn't supposed to be in here. I'm putting together 2 little baskets for them. Callie's food, have to refill her little bin. Fix that cabinet. I will tell you how that happened at a story time as we're cleaning the kitchen. That's a fun story. Add in kitchen shelves, take out the recyclables, fold all of this lovely laundry that we have here. Add flowers. I want to add flowers to this dresser right here. Office pictures. I got some fall pictures to print or to replace the ones above my desk with. And then I have a couple things I have to return to Amazon. I have some things to drop off at the donation center. We're going to be adding a wreath somewhere, and then remove the microwave. If you didn't know what I meant by microwave, if you're not new here, this has my old microwave in it, and it's been here for forever, and we have just not gotten rid of it. So we have to take this to the dump, although I need Tim's help for that because it's a little too heavy. Oh shoot, I forgot to put do nails on my to-do list. Random question, but does anybody else use a mini vacuum or even your big vacuum, to be honest, to like vacuum up your coffee table when there are crumbs? I used to sweep it, but I just found that this is so quick and convenient. Also, if you're curious what happened to the cabinet door above my sink, my sister was over and she thought that that was a drawer for silverware or something and like just thought it was stuck. That's why it wasn't opening. So she pulled it a little bit too hard and the whole thing came off. So I got this photo holder from TJ Maxx like a handful of years ago, and I thought it would be the perfect addition to my gallery wall, mostly because I could easily swap out the pictures per season. So I found these 3 really pretty pictures and I printed those out, and I think that really adds a nice little fall touch to the room. I did decide not to swap out these 2 floral photos because I couldn't find any pictures that I really loved for fall. And while I do love decor, I'm also big on saving and spending your money wisely. So if there's not pictures that I'm really excited about hanging up there, it's not worth the 20 bucks that I would have to spend on having them printed. Okay, so we got the base clean done. Office pictures. Got that done. Never mind, we did Callie's food too. Yay. Also, I've recently started posting on TikTok a little bit more again, so if you're on TikTok, you should totally follow me. It's just at It's Catherine May. That's also my Instagram username if you wanted to follow me on there. I'll have both linked in the description. And also, if you are new and you're enjoying this video so far, I would love to have you as a subscriber and coming back for more videos. I do a ton of Clean With Me vlogs just like this one. Next day, and we are going to continue on finishing our to-do list. However, I did already get 2 more things done off the to-do list. Number 1, I did my nails, and number 2, if you could tell behind me, Tim fixed that cabinet this morning. I'm so thankful. Oh, so we have to mark those 2 things off. I got this new candle from Walmart too. It's in the scent Fall Leaves, and I wanted to light it this morning so bad, but I just feel like there's something so satisfying about lighting a candle for the first time on camera. I don't know, so I wanted to save the moment to do it with you guys. Yeah. Oh yes, we got it. Taking so long. Update, I cut the wick. There we go.
You give me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams.
I'll be honest, I was a little skeptical about putting this wreath up here just because I feel like putting a wreath on a bare wall can kind of look odd sometimes and like it doesn't really fill the space properly, but I actually really like how this turned out. Since you'll see later, I can't have my wreath above the sink anymore, and this wreath is just so beautiful that I didn't want to put it on my front door because I wanted to see it like more often during my day, so I'm really happy that I decided to put it here. But now we are just taking Callie for a walk and all the recyclables to the recycling bin. It's a lot cooler outside today, but it is humid. And so I was like, when I first walked out, I was like, oh, that's refreshing. And then after like a minute of walking, I'm like, oh my gosh, pretty much everything left on the to-do list we need Tim for. So when he gets back, we're gonna do the kitchen shelves, which I'm so excited about. And I'm thinking that after the shelves are done, I may go to TJ Maxx to see if I can find like cute little pumpkins or fall decor to put on there. So I think I'm gonna save dropping off my Amazon returns and my donations for when I do that. I'll like just do all my outside the condo activities together. So I think right now I'm actually going to input all this footage into my computer and just kind of chill for a little bit and start editing. Oh, that was one other thing I wanted to change. Okay, really quick, we're gonna do one more update and then I'm gonna go edit it. So I love this picture of Tim and I that I have here on my makeup stand, but there's one that we took last fall that I just am in love with, and so I think I wanna switch it. There's just something that I love so much about this picture, so I think I'm gonna put this in the frame instead. I am literally still in awe at these shelves. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I have to give pretty much all credit to Tim. I did find the shelves that I wanted to get, but it was his idea to put shelves there and he did all of the work. I mean, I sat there and kept him company, so I feel like that's half the battle so that he's not bored, you know what I mean? But like as far as the work itself, that was all him. He really did a great job. And you'll see here I mess around with the decor a handful of times before I settle on it, but I decided bringing that greenery in really makes the entire like space and kitchen come together. What's up, guys? So I just did my Amazon returns. Oh my gosh, I just realized how dusty my dashboard is. I need to do a car cleaning soon, clearly. That's how it's gonna be for this video. But since I did my Amazon return at Kohl's, I got like a $10 or $5 Kohl's cash. So I ended up getting a Yankee candle. It ended up coming out to like $10 in Pumpkin Patch Treats. I highly recommend this candle. It smells incredible. I cannot wait to get home and light this. We have to drive to the other side of this parking lot because I need to get aluminum foil from Big Y. I don't feel, it's like a big parking lot and it's really hot, so I don't feel like walking over there. Might be lazy of me, but that's okay. Before I did this, I also dropped off the donations that I had to drop off. So we have 2 more things that we're able to check off our to-do list. I'm very excited. Oh, see you guys. Good morning, guys. Today is the very next day. I feel like I haven't done a video like this where it's like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like a little bit each day, not that we're really filming much today. It's currently Monday, August 30th. It's 7:39 a.m. and I'm so happy to report that yesterday Tim and I did finally remove the microwaves. It's the little things. It's just so nice to finally have the space cleared out. So as you can see, the only thing left on the to-do list is getting flowers for the dresser top. Clearly, it's 7:40 in the morning. I'm not gonna go to the store right now just to get flowers because I wanna upload this video. Oh, and then I have to start working a little bit, like my full-time job, especially if you have a really, really long to-do list and you don't get a few things done. It's really not a big deal at all whatsoever. I'm just gonna move this to my next to-do list. I think that's gonna be it for today's video. If you watched until this part, comment fall wreath, because we're looking at my new fall wreath up there. Let me know if you like putting wreaths on bare walls, or if you're more of like on a door or like in a specific spot that kind of like makes sense for it, or if you put like one of those fake wooden windows and then put the wreath on top of it. I feel like that would look really good here. I'll have my entire fall video playlist linked above me and my Clean With Me vlogs playlist linked in the description, as well as a handful of other playlists that you might enjoy from me. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. I feel like I don't say that enough in my videos, but if you enjoyed it, you should give it a big thumbs up. And I love y'all, and I will see you in my next video.